Tactile Collider is an immersive workshop that we take to schools and colleges and festivals to teach particle accelerators and particle physics to often secondary school children and particularly with visual impairments. So the main session of Tactile Collider is built around 4 topics: particles, magnets, acceleration and the Higgs boson. So for each of those we have a table of activities that the children can be involved in. Then we also have Cassie, which is a model particle accelerator about 3.5 meters across, which the pupils can come up and explore and touch and find out about different components. One of the things we added to Tactile Collider was a drama session which uses embodied learning. So the way this works is we give small groups of children a sentence which might be something like particles collide, and they can then act that out and come up with a movement to demonstrate that. And it really helps because it's an additional method of learning that works better for some children. So you have to think about how someone who can't see is going to interact with all this equipment. So it has to be engaging and physical. It also has to be robust enough that it can be picked up and dropped and thrown around. It needs to be brightly coloured because if people might have some visual ability, having contrast can help with that. But also things like texture, which often we don't think about. So lots of our objects have textures and relief on them that can be felt. When we're teaching science, we often think about visualization, so taking a complex concept and turning it into something visual that you can print out or put on a slide. That you can then go another step and turn that into something tactile, but it can be even better when you skip out the visualization. So if you can go straight from difficult concepts into physical objects or activities, that can provide something that's really engaging. One thing we found is that even though these activities are designed for people with visual impairments, they're really good for teaching everyone, so general audiences. For example, at festivals we have a completely mixed general audience, and being able to have objects and models to explain things helps with children, adults and even scientists.